Here, H.C. Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion Kinematics. The benches of a gallery in a cricket stadium are 1 meter wide, 1 meter height. A batsman strikes the ball at a level 1 meter above the ground and hits a mammoth sixer. The ball starts at 35 meters per second at an angle of 53 degrees with the horizontal. The benches are perpendicular to the plane of the motion, and the first bench is 110 meters from the batsman, on which bench the ball will hit. In this question, what is given? In a cricket stadium, so many benches are present. Each bench wide is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. So like this, 1 meter and 1 meter. That benches must be present in the stadium, or let it must be n number of benches which are present. The batsman who is present in the cricket stadium, he hits the ball with an angle of 35 meters per second to the horizontal, and also the bat hits the ball at 1 meter from the ground. So that means here this is 1 meter from the ground. 1 meter from the ground. And by striking the ball with a velocity of 35 meters per second, this ball will move in this particular path, that is projectile motion. Let it must be hits to the nth bench. Nth bench. That means we have to calculate the which bench the ball hits. So that means let it must be nth bench. So what happens in this case? And also given what is that from the first bench to the batsman, that is 110 meters distance is present. So that means completely n benches are present. N benches are present means what is that here? Suppose it is the nth bench. So from where the ball strikes, there to the distance is complete from here to here n benches means what about this one bench is remaining? So that means what happens here? N minus 1 bench, that is n minus 1 meter distance is present up to here. In the y-axis, let it must be taken as y. Suppose when we are taking from here to here, this is already 110 meters. From here to here, n number of benches are present. That means n meter distance is present. So then let it must be nth bench we are removing. So that means nth bench we are neglecting. So that means what happens here? How much distance up to here where the ball strikes to the nth bench? That is n minus 1 meters. So this one we will take as x. So here y and here x. The ball moves in which direction? That is projectile motion. So that means in which is moving in the projectile motion, which equation we will take? That equation of projectile, that is y equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. And also here given 53 degrees. So that means the famous Pythagorean triplet, that is 3, 4, 5. This is 53 degrees. So from 53 degrees only, we will take the angle here. Tan theta is equal to, that means tan 53 degrees. Is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So that means 4 by 3. And here cos theta. So that means cos 53 degrees is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means 3 by 5. So here, which one we want to calculate here? Which bench the ball hits. So here, first of all, suppose the ball hits the nth bench. So that means x distance, how much amount of distance traveled in this x direction? That is 110. Why 110? From the first bench to the where the ball strikes by the batsman. So 110 plus what is this one? N minus 1. So that means plus n minus 1. So that is meters. And in this vertical direction, what is this one? N minus 1 only. So that means y is equal to n minus 1 meters. Now substitute these values, including here tan 53 degrees is equal to 4 by 3, and here cos 53 degrees is equal to 3 by 5. Now I will substitute in this equation. So that means y means what is that here? N minus 1 is equal to x means what is that? 110 plus n minus 1 into tan 53 degrees minus g. That means g means what is that here? 9.8 into x square. X means what is that here? 110 plus n minus 1 whole square divided by 2 into 35 whole square into cos theta, that is cos 53 degrees. So here cos 53 degrees. So here n minus 1 is equal to 110 plus n minus 1 into tan 53 degrees, that is nothing but 4 by 3 minus 9.8 into 110 plus n minus 1 whole square divided by 2 into 35 whole square into cos 53 is nothing but 3 by 5. On calculating of this one, we will get n is equal to 6. So that means here the finally we will write here the ball hits the 6th bench in the stadium. This is the solution for question number 44.